welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. A week ago I released the comparison between the stabilized video of the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S10. During that comparison I was amazed how good the S10 was able to stabilize footage and decided that I needed to compare the Super Steady with the Hypersmooth on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And here is that comparison. Both cameras were recording 1080p 30fps because that is the maximum resolution the Galaxy is capable of when the Super Steady is turned on. In my opinion, the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 7 Black is a little more steady, but the gap is not big. It is amazing what this Samsung is capable when compared to the stabilization we were used to on smartphones until now. Do I think that GoPro can lose some of its customers because of this kind of stabilization coming to smartphones? Well, yes and no. If someone is buying a GoPro to film occasionally during traveling, maybe that could be an option. For someone using the GoPro for filming action sports, I don't see a smartphone being able to take the place of an action cam. Also keep in mind that the Hero 7 Black is capable of this kind of stabilization also in 4K 60fps, on the Samsung you are limited to 1080p 30fps. Tell me what you think about this comparison.